Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. The objective for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We would be analyzing the index on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, that is 7th October. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So tomorrow is the weekly expiry for the 7th October contract. So the max pain level for Nifty is at 17,700 level. So it tells us that there is a high probability that tomorrow expiry can be around 17,700 level, and if that happens, then call and put option buyers of 17,700 strike are going to be making losses, as on expiry large percentage of options they expire worthless, and call and put option writers of 17,700 strike, they are going to be making profits at the expense of the call and put option buyers. If we analyze the overall open interest data, so if we see the calls, the call strike of 17,800 as well as 17,700 are going to act as strong resistances tomorrow. And if we see the put side, highest amount of open interest data is at 17,500 put strike and 17,400 put strike. So these levels are likely to act as strong support tomorrow. So we would be trading in the range of 17,400 to the downside and 17,800 to the upside, with 17,700 likely to act as a option max pain level. So if market expires at 17,700 tomorrow, in that scenario, call and put option writers, they would be making profits at the expense of buyers. And if you see the change in open interest data, what happened intraday, you will see that today highest amount of open interest addition has happened at 17,800 call strike, followed by 17,700 call strike, and highest amount of open interest addition in puts has happened at 17,600 level. And you would be seeing that we saw open interest reduction in puts in the following strikes: 17,600 put strike, 17,700 put strike, 17,800 put strike, and 17,850 put strike. So based on the price action, the put option buyers, they book their profits, and put option writers, they have booked their losses. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, here you will see on the monthly time frame we are trading above the monthly open. So on the monthly time frame, the price is currently under control of buyers above the monthly open, which is 17,531.9 level. And you would see that currently we are forming an inside month. That is, we have not broken previous month's highs or lows to the downside, so it's an inside month. And if we see the weekly time frame, here you will see market is still under control of buyers above 17,615. However, last week was also an inside weekly candle, and this week also we are forming an inside weekly candle. So whenever weekly inside candles are formed, it just tells us that there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So based on the monthly as well as the weekly time frame, we are currently under control of buyers as we are trading above those respective opens, time frame opens. And if you see the daily time frame, today we have formed an outside candlestick on the daily time frame, and we have been under control of sellers below the daily open today, which is 17,861.5 level. So whenever outside candles are formed, it just tells us that buyers are willing to take the price higher and sellers are willing to take the price lowers, as we managed to break previous days highs and low. So it just shows that there is currently no trend in the market, and it corroborates with our finding on the monthly time frame. It's an inside month, it is consolidating on the monthly as well as on the weekly. And today, with presence of both the buyers and the sellers, causing range expansion, so it just corroborates that currently market is in an equilibrium with presence of both the buyers and the sellers. Since tomorrow is the weekly expiry, so we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios. Above 17,646 levels, we can potentially trade toward 17,719 level, 17,811 levels, and potentially 17,884 levels. And below 17,613, that is today's lows, we can potentially have range expansion to the downside, uh, and we can potentially reach 17,540 levels, 17,448 levels, and potentially 17,342 levels. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is 17,646 to 17,613, in which one can refrain from making any trades on the index. So for conservative traders, it is best to avoid making any trades in between the neutral price range and only look for buying opportunities if we trade above 17,646 levels. And aggressive traders, they can look for selling opportunities as well below 17,613 levels. I would be tracking these two stocks tomorrow. So the first stock is Thirumal Chemicals. So on the monthly time frame, it is basically trading above the monthly open, so it is under control of buyers. On the weekly time frame, again it is under control of buyers as it is trading above the weekly open. And on the daily time frame, it has consolidated today, so it has formed an inside candle. So we would be looking to establish a position if high of today breaks tomorrow. So we would be looking for buying opportunity above 329.9 levels in Thirumal Chemical, and if it triggers, then we would have full time frame continuity to the upside with all the time frames coming under control of buyers. Our next stock is NOCL. NOCL on the monthly time frame is again under control of buyers on above the monthly open, which is 287.65. On the weekly time frame, again it is under control of buyers as it is trading above the weekly open of 287 levels. And on the daily time frame, it has consolidated. So we would be looking to establish a position if today's highs break tomorrow, and we would be looking for a buying position above 309.7 levels in NOCL. And if both these Thirumal Chemical and NOCL they break today's highs tomorrow, in that scenario we would have full time frame continuity on all the time frames. That is, on the monthly, weekly, and the daily, we would potentially be aggressive in lifting the offers, as on all the respective time frames market would be trading above their respective openings. And I like to remind you that I would be sharing a long short bias stock watch list before 10 p.m. tonight, so do stay tuned for that. I would be sharing that link on my Twitter account as well as my FB account. And before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 17,646 levels, we can potentially trade towards 17,811 levels, and below 17,613 level, we can potentially trade towards 17,448 levels. And broadly speaking, we are in a 400 point range. So we are likely to be trading in between 17,800 to 17,400 tomorrow, and the max pain is at 17,700 level. And finally, I like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.